Sometimes when we run a backup exec job, and this is going to be in backup exec 21, we're going to see a job get stuck where it's not actually increasing in speed. And if we right click on it and we choose cancel, then nothing happens. So what do we do in that case? Well, there's a couple of different options. One is to go into the backup exec services. So if we go to the circle in the upper left-hand corner and we go to configurations and settings, and go to Backup Services. And here we see the Backup Exec Services, and I would recommend that you just choose to restart all services. Now sometimes that also gets stuck, and you'll see some of the services not stopping all the way and restarting. So then you can go into the Task Manager. So you right-click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager, and then you want to look for individual Backup Exec Services. So we can click on Services, and we see all the individual backup exec services. So if you see any one of these services stuck in stopping or starting, then what you want to do is right-click on that particular service and click on Go to Details. When we click on Go to Details, it goes to the executable that is running that service. So what we can do is we can just end the task of that executable, and it causes the service to automatically stop. Then we can choose that stop service, right-click on it and choose Start, and the executable will once again start up, and you can do that for each one of your stuck services. After that, your backup job should be in a stopped position, and you don't have to restart your server.